Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to study about the role of slide. Okay. Now first here you can see one girl is there who is playing on this slide. Yes. Now sliding means what? Sliding means when certain things is moving from one surface only. It means it is a sliding. For example, if this thing is there, if it is moving like this with the help of one surface, then it means it is a sliding. Whereas roll or the rolling means what? Now let's take the example of this sketch pens. See, it is using the whole space or whole surface to move from one place to another. It is called as the rolling. Okay, now which things are sliding? The things which are in the cube or the cuboid objects, the cube or the cuboid objects, that objects are sliding. Okay, whereas which is the objects which are in the spherical shapes, okay, or the cylindrical shape, that objects are rolling. That objects are rolling. Okay, so sliding and rolling. Sliding means using the one space to move, whereas the rolling means using the whole surface or the whole surface to move from one place to another. Okay, so let's solve the examples. So exercise 4.3, find out whether the given objects roll or slide or do both. Put a tick on the ones that roll, cross out the ones that slide, and circle the ones that can roll and slide both. Now few things are there which can slide also and which can be a rolling also. For example, bottle. If we keeps the bottle on the table, it can be we can able to move it or we can slide it, right? But if we are keeping it in the horizontal way, then it can be rolled. Okay, so here are the things. Objects are given. From that objects we have to tick the objects which are rolling, we have to cross out the objects that are sliding, and we have to circle the objects that can be roll or that can be slide. Okay, so first here you can see crayon. Yes, so it can be rolled. Yes, crayons. Yes, most of the time it is rolling only because it's this plane surface is very less. Okay, so it cannot be stand or we cannot able to slide it. So if it is roll, then what we have to do? Put a tick on the object that can roll. So here we have to tick mark. Next one, coin. This one, yes, slide also and roll also. Okay, so what we have to do? Circle. So circle this object. The next, box. This can be slide. Slide means what we have to do? Cross. This, yes, dice. Okay, next is dice. So this dice can, when we are playing, you can see this dice can roll also and can slide also. So here we have to do the circle. Next one, here you can see perfume bottle. Yes, so it can be slide if it is a, if it's standing like this, right? And it can roll if we are keeps it in the horizontal way. So what we have to do here? Circle. Tomato, rolling. So rolling means tick mark. This can slide or can roll. Yes, so what we have to do? Yeah, circle. Yes, it can be slide only. So what we have to do here? Cross mark. Next, skills for life. Look at the given road safety signs and tick the correct options. Zebra crossing has straight or curved lines. Here you can see, yes, which lines are given here? Straight lines. So we have to take straight lines. The shape of the signboard is rectangle or triangle. See this, which shape it is? Triangle. So take mark. The symbol inside the triangle has dash straight lines, 6 or 7. How many straight lines are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are the straight lines only, right? So how many are there? Total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to take it. So for today's homework, you have to complete exercise 4.3 and also this. Okay, skills for life. Then even you have to write this exercise 4.3 in your notebook also. Thank you.